Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DTE Energy to manage EV charging programs, full guide step by step clearly. To start the login process for DTE Energy, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.dteenergy.com and hit enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page for DTE Energy. Here, you'll find fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After entering your login credentials, click the Sign In button. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. In the My Account dashboard, find the option labeled EV Charging Programs. Click on this option to manage your electric vehicle charging. You can view your current program, adjust your preferences, and check usage statistics. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure your internet connection is stable. Check that your username and password are entered correctly. If problems persist, consider contacting DTE Energy customer service for assistance. Now you are ready to manage your EV charging programs efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.